All right, guys, time for another weekly walkthrough at Lowe's to see what kind of deals and clearance they got going on. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so first up, if you guys are looking for some patio furniture, definitely a good time to pick it up at Lowe's. They're trying to clear out all their patio furniture because they're bringing in all their Halloween stuff. So at my local Lowe's, they had a bunch of stuff discounted about 2 weeks ago, and a lot of that stuff is already sold. They had a few other things left. They had this soft top gazebo. Not a great deal on this. They only knocked off about 50 bucks on this one, bringing it down to 6.95. They also had the curved pergola. This was a 10 by 10 foot. Had this marked down a little bit better at 5.98, so a couple $100 off on this one. They also had the bistro table. This one came in at 59.12. Says it was $148. And then at my Lowe's, they also had up to 50% off clearance on the patio furniture, but this was just for the displays. So depending on what you got at your Lowe's, you might find some better deals. They also had some deals going on some Blackstone. Now this has clearance. It was $248, but I'm pretty sure this was a sale price they had earlier in the year for this 2 burner Blackstone. They also had this charbroil down to $299. Says it was 600 bucks. So this is the digital grill. If you guys are looking for a pellet grill, they had the Pit Boss marked down, clearanced out also at my Lowe's, down to $359. This was 400 bucks. So this is a Pro Series 700. Then they also had the Char Griller. So this is a gravity fed charcoal grill. Had this marked down to 639.17, was 800 bucks. This is the G Series 1000. Pretty nice looking grill there. But I actually like this setup here. So this was another clearance grill. This is the Duo Combo. So this is gas and charcoal grill. This one was also marked down to $359.07, was $399. Now this right here was a pretty good deal. This is the Kettle Joe charcoal grill. They had this one 50% off, marked all the way down to $250.47. I just seen this one at Walmart for the $500 price tag, so really good deal on that one. So I walked over to where they got the coolers at, and I found this. Didn't even know that Craftsman had this. This is the VersaStack 30-quart cooler. So it's kind of like a rolling cooler that you can stack the tools on. It's got that VersaStack system, but they have it clearanced out all the way down to $90.30. Like I says, I didn't even know that this existed, but pretty decent looking cooler by Craftsman. Over by the outdoor power equipment, they had some deals going on for Cobalt. So here's the 40 volt 15-inch string trimmer down to $149, so 20 bucks off on this one. And this is the kit, so it includes one 4 amp hour battery and then the 80-watt charger. Over by Ego, they had a sale going on for the leaf blower. So this is a 670 CFM leaf blower, and it comes with the 4 amp hour battery and charger, coming in at $249. Over here, they had some Cobalt 3-shelf module wall organizers. They had these clearanced out down to $74.47. These were $149. Not a bad pickup here if you guys are looking to organize some stuff in your garage or even like in your basement, shed, anything like that. Pretty good deal on those. There's a look at it right there. You can place your tools on it. 3 adjustable shelves. So not a bad pickup, all steel. And then they also had the ceiling storage for $84.47 by Cobalt. This is $169. So this is a 48 by 50 inch setup. Nice way to create more floor space in your shop or garage. They also had these Keter cabinets marked down. It wasn't a huge discount on these, but they had 3 different varieties. Here's the utility base cab, they call it, $89.99, only 10 bucks off on that. And then they had the taller cabinets. So this is the utility tall cabinet, as they call it, down to $134. And then they had the little bit extra wide tall cabinet. This one was coming in at $170. So like I said, not a huge discount on those, just a few bucks off. Like to see those get a little bit lower. As I was walking to check out the back aisle at my Lowe's, I seen this table across from it. So they had a bunch of Carhartt shorts on sale on this table. I don't know if they just put it out or if they've been sitting out here for a while, but they had tons of different colors, lots of different sizes, different styles, and they were marked down about 10 bucks off, somewhere around there. And they also had shirts too. Those I think were about $8. They were marked off. Yeah, here's the shirts over here. They had a few different styles, but these were 29, 30 bucks. I think I had them marked down to about 23 bucks. And then they had a few bucks off on just the graphic tees. So it looks like they're starting to lower the price on the Carhartt stuff. Probably more seasonal, summer stuff, because they're probably trying to make room to bring in the pants, hoodies, and stuff like that. Here I spotted a pretty good deal on a Jurgensen clamping miter saw table down to $29.92. It's a pretty nice setup here. This was $49. Next to that, they had the Metabo 4-piece combo set. This is the subcompact. So they had this down to $209. You can get your drill driver, impact, one-hand recip, and then the multi-tool. Coming in with two 2-amp-hour batteries, the charger, and the bag. They also had a few bucks off on the 6-gallon shop vac. They had it down to $62.97. This was like 70 bucks. Here's an item I had in one of my last videos. So here's the Craftsman RP 1500 watt pressure washer. Clearance out to $274. This was $549. So this is cordless, and it's going to come with 9-amp-hour batteries, actually 2 of them. But if this gets any lower, I might actually pick it up myself if I spot it for like 150 bucks. Now here's the clearance deal I actually did pick up. This is the 100-foot 12-gauge extension cord. So this is $28, regularly like $71, 15 amp rated. That was a really good deal there. I picked one of those up. And then they had the 50-foot 14-gauge cold weather for $23. So nice deal on the extension cords. Next to that, they had some lights, some cobalt lights marked down. These are like work lights. They had the 600 lumen cobalt down to $10.97. This was like almost $30. And actually on the light, it says it's 625 lumens. I actually cross-referenced the part number and everything, and this is the one that's $10. So pretty bright light, nice work light there. I think it has a magnetic bottom also, rechargeable, comes with the cord. They had a couple other lights also. They had a 415 lumen work light, kind of the same setup, just less lumens. But they had this one marked down to $9. I think it was $8.77. This was 21 bucks. And then they had the slim foldable light. This kind of reminded me of the Braun work light at Harbor Freight. They had this one clearanced out. Only $6 for this one. And this came in at 400 lumens. Same thing, rechargeable, magnetic base, foldable. Pretty nice light for $6. After checking out the back aisle, I went over to where the tools are, see what kind of sales and clearance they had going on. They had some deals going on for DeWalt, so free select bare tool. So a few different tools here, up to $249 value. And you get one of those free tools when you buy one of the 8-amp-hour XR battery. In case you guys didn't know, DeWalt's got some new stuff. They got the Power Pack 8-amp-hour for $229. The new Max XR hammer drill kit for $349. Circular saw kit for $349. Recip saw kit for $349, and also the angle grinder kit for $349. Those are their new line tools. And then right here, free 5-amp-hour battery, $199 value when you buy a select tool. Tons to choose from here. You got your ratchets, reciprocating saw, circular saw impacts. You got your lights, your bandsaw. So lots to choose from with that buy one get one there by DeWalt. Here's a look at a few of the prices. So here's the XR cutoff tool, $179. They got the D-handle rotary hammer for $229. They had the light down at the bottom. I think that was $229 also. Got the circular saw, $199. Half-inch impact wrench for $249. They had some Klein deals going on also. For $14.98, they had the 25-foot compact tape measure. For $39.98, they had the 6-piece insulated screwdriver set. And then for $50, they had 2-piece lineman pliers. For $25, they had the receptacle test kit. And then for $40, they had the test kit with the multimeter. I had some gloves also clearanced out over here. So these are the dip gloves, extra large and large. Nice discount on those. These are really nice gloves. A lot of different companies make them, but I like these rubber texture gloves. They also had a deal going on for Metabo. So if you buy one of those select nailers, you get a free impact driver kit. So I thought this was a pretty good deal because with one of these nailers, you get the impact, you get the battery, and the charger. So it says it's a $327 value, but not a bad combo pickup there. They still got the buy one, get one going on for Craftsman. Get one of those free select tools when you buy 4 amp hour kit. And then they also got buy one, get one going on for Bosch. Lots of different deals going on for Bosch here. Got 4 different deals. And lots of free tools to choose from there, which I like to see. Circular saw, recip, multi-tool. Got a bunch of different tools there to choose from depending on what battery kit you get. Also had a few clearance deals going on over by Metabo. So multi-tool, tool only, $69.27. This was $100. So a little discount on that, not too bad. And then over here they had the circular saw, so the 7 1/4 inch circular saw down to $143.17 was $179. And then I think over here they had the drill and impacts marked down too. Yeah, here's the impact subcompact 97.27. That's the kit. And then they also had the drill driver kit down to 90.27. They had some cobalt deals going on also. Over here they had the random orbit center down to $59. Let me know if you guys are seeing any of these clearance deals at your local Lowe's in the comment section below. $34 for the heat gun. 4-inch multi-purpose saw, $79. Also had the rotary hammer, only $41.62 for that. Killer deal on that one. And then down here they had the 1/2 inch impact wrench, only $50 for that. Tool only, of course. Well, these were tool only deals. Still not bad for these clearance deals if you guys are Cobalt fans. Had a really good deal going on for this 2 amp hour skill battery, coming in at $15.98. They also had some really good deals going on for the skill power tool kits. So here's the recip kit, only $79.98 for that. This is the whole kit, comes with the battery and charger, also with the circular saw, $79.98. And then for the 1/4 inch impact driver kit also, only $50 for that. And hiding back here, they had the multi-tool kit. It's hard to get a good look at this, but it was coming in at $70. So pretty good deals for the skill. Seen some clearance deals for Craftsman, 10-inch polisher, only $40. Actually heard from a few people that thing sucks. So don't take my word for it, but didn't hear really good things about that. Here's the RP 2-tool combo kit, only $125.32. And I remember this RP line is their high end for Craftsman, so that might be worth picking up. Also, they got the 1/2 inch drill driver kit. This is also RP, under $100 for this. So that might also be a pretty good pickup. If I pick anything up for Craftsman, it's definitely going to be the RP line. They had some deals going on for the Cobalt 10-inch portable job site table saws. This was the folding stand, $219 for this one. This was $299. And then they had another 10-inch table saw for Cobalt over here. This one was $300, but this had the gravity arise stand. $50 off on that one. They also had the Delta miter saw stand. New lower price on that, down to $219. This was $249. Pretty nice heavy duty miter saw stand by Delta. Heard a lot of good things about that one. And then I found this clearance deal. So this is the Rockwell 4-inch table saw, $83.32. This one's pretty cool because it's portable, really lightweight, compact. Can do your rip cutting, cross cutting, curve cutting on it, and then the miter cutting on it. Nice, lightweight, portable. Only $83.32. They had some deals going on for Cobalt. They had some mechanic tool set, 250 piece for $149. It's got the drawer system in it. 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive. Get a lot of extras with it, but decent starter kit for $149. If you guys are looking for something a little bit smaller, they had a 33 piece, special value $79. This is $104. And these are the Pro 90 ratchets. I actually own a nice set, and these are actually pretty decent tool sets. And then they had the 30 piece. This is just 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch. $30 for this one. Nice little kit you can throw in your vehicle. Alright guys, so that's about it for the deals at Lowe's, but I wanted to throw this last bit in there. I did take some footage of all the Halloween stuff that they got out. So if you guys aren't interested in any of the Halloween stuff, I guess I'll catch you on the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. For you guys that are interested in the Halloween stuff, stick around all the way to the end. Got a bunch of footage for you guys. All of the Halloween decorations that Lowe's is offering for this year.
These Bluetooth Reapers can play any song from your Bluetooth phone or device. Just pair to one Reaper. Choose a song from your device and watch and listen as they move and flashlights take on the These Bluetooth Reapers can play any song from your Bluetooth
Twas a night like this, many moons ago. My beloved sailed into the dark seas, never to return.